What's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at how to solve this hash table exercise. So in this exercise, we have a hash table, right? And they're telling us that to solve collisions, we're doing a hashing with linear probing. The hash function is given as x mod of 10. And yeah, that's it. And they tell us that after 10 operations, we get the following hash table, right? And they're asking for us to write in the operations in the right order so we can get this resulting table. So how do we do that? Well, first of all, we're going to start off with just a simple example here. Let's say we have a hash table, and we also have the same how do you say hash function, right? So x modulus of 10. And we have the following array of numbers that we want to add into our hash table. We have, I don't know, 11, we have 21, we have 34, we have 65, and we have 73, right? What do we do here, actually? Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to obviously start with our first value, and we're going to try to put it into our, we want to call this into our hash table, of course, by first applying the hash function upon it, so we can find in which index we have to add it, right? To do that, we're going to open up my my beautiful terminal. And as you can see, where I already did some exercises, but yeah, I'm just quit here. Oops, just exit so we can start from over. Damn, I'm typing horribly today. So we can do clear, and we're gonna do Python again, right? So we're gonna do 11, right? Modulus of 10. What does that give us? That's gives us 1, right? Now let's try 21 modulus of 10. 1. So that gives us the index we have to add the value in, so to speak. So we go back to our iPad, my iPad screen. We have this value, so we know that 11 goes to 1, right? So we add 11 to 1. That's it. However, 21 also goes there, right? So what do we do with 21? 21 wants to go in here, right? But we cannot do that because it's already been taken by 11. So what we do is like, okay, we don't have enough space. I want to live there. So imagine you want to live in Beverly Hills, so to speak, but there's not enough houses in the neighborhood. So you have to go to like a house to the next neighborhood. So you go here, right? It's like an analogy. I love analogies. So that's how it looks basically. Now we do the same thing for modulus 34. 34 modulus 10 is going to be 4. So this guy goes here, right? Then we go modulus 65 is going to be 65 modulus 10. So it's going to be 5. So that goes to here. And then 73 modulus 10 is going to be 3. So we put it here. So we understood the example now. Now let's do the exercise. Here, we're given already a built hash table. We already have some values in them, but we want to know which operations we have to add to get this hash table, right? Well, the following, we can do the following. We're first going to mark the differences between our tables. So the differences are these guys. And I'm going to call the 11 one is a bit tricky because it's a bit confusing, but don't worry, we get to that. So the first operation we're going to do is basically going to be the insert 31 modulus of 10. So we're going to do insert 31 modulus of 10. What we'll do is we're going to have a 31, so 31, that wants to go up over here where 0 is. However, we cannot do that because, as we can see above, it's already been taken. So we go to the right, and that's it. Now, 32. 32 is the same case as 31. We're going to write here 2.insert 32 mod 10, right? And this, we're going to write 32. And basically what this happens is 32 would go to where 2 is. But guess what? It's already been taken by 31. So we go to the right. We already have a number there. So we go to the right. We already have a number there too. Right. 55 is already there. So right. And it goes on 32 on 6. Right? Now let's do the last one. Let's do 45. 3. We're going to do insert 45 modulus of 10. Again, 45 wants to go to 5, right? But again, goes right. There's already a number there, so right. 37 is already there. Right. 27 is already there. So it'll be on 9. As easy as that. The next step is going to be like, okay, we already added this, but guess what? We still just have this weird 11, right? What do we do with that? Well, we're going to delete our value 27. So this value we want to delete. So we're going to do this basically. And we're going to write here, delete 27, so to speak, right? So delete 27 is gonna basically just erase this, and we're gonna have, like, so to speak, a white box. So let's just copy this, paste image, and we're gonna have basically a white box. And just have a white, beautiful box. So what do we do next? We're gonna do insert 11 now. So we're gonna do insert modulus of 11. 11 modulus 10. What does that do? Well, in this case, actually, we're not gonna write modulus. This is not really what we want, because, like, obviously we want to insert the actual value 31. We don't want to insert the modulus of that, but you get what I mean with the modulus. Modulus to find the index, so to speak. So we want to insert 11. So 11 modulus 10 is going to give us basically, it will want to go here, but it can't because it's already taken, up until it comes to here. And that's pretty much it. And as you can see, we do have indeed 5 operations, which is the thing that is being asked for. Now, we try to add another number. Well, there can be 2 cases. It can be that it can't be done, right? It can't be done as table is full, or we expand table by creating a new one that's bigger, creating bigger, and hashing our values. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. And now they're asking us, hey, well, how does find k basically work? Well, find is basically just saying find k. Yeah, it's basically for each element in k, right? not in k. In hash table, in hash table. So hash table, return k if h, right? Or most likely it's gonna be h. If h, k is equal to 32. That's pretty much it. What we can actually describe it as is, well, it will just iterate through the whole thing one by one, checking for the key, and if within the key our value is 32, we're going to return this key, and that's it. So yeah, guys, that was it for this exercise. Thanks for watching, and we can do whatever. We can just skip to the next exercise. So yeah.